Ever wondered how to design your kitchen layout like a pro? Well, you've come to the right place. Designing a kitchen isn't just about picking out pretty tiles and fancy appliances. It's about setting clear priorities, considering safety measures, and understanding key kitchen metrics. It's about setting a budget and goals before you even start. And sometimes it's about reaching out to professionals like Kitchen Concepts for that expert touch. With a little bit of knowledge and careful planning, you too can design a kitchen like a pro. Safety in the kitchen is paramount. Think about preventing slips with the right flooring, managing fire risks with smart appliance placement, providing ample lighting, reducing clutter, rounding sharp countertop corners, and controlling temperature. Remember, a safe kitchen is a happy kitchen. Understanding key kitchen metrics can make your space more comfortable and efficient. Consider the kitchen triangle rule for appliance placement and ensure ample door and walkway widths. Also, optimizing the sink to dishwasher distance can make cleaning up a breeze. Master these metrics and you're well on your way to a pro-level kitchen design. A well-placed kitchen island can be a game changer. The key lies in the details, like ensuring adequate overhang support for comfortable seating. Equally important is providing enough space for ease of movement. But let's not forget about lighting. The right number of light sources strategically placed can make all the difference. It's not just about visibility, but also about creating the right ambiance. So, remember, good seating, thoughtful spacing, and smart lighting. A well-lit, comfortable kitchen island can really elevate your kitchen's look and function. Designing a kitchen layout isn't an easy task, but with these tips, you're more than equipped to start. Remember, prioritize your needs, consider safety measures, and understand the key kitchen metrics. Always set a budget, establish clear goals, and don't hesitate to consult professionals. Speaking of professionals, Kitchen Concepts stands as a reliable option for those in California seeking expert kitchen redesign services. So go ahead, design your kitchen layout like a pro. Your dream kitchen is just a few steps away.